Hello everyone, this is Jake from Sweet Potato English. Today, we're going to take a look at 20 adjectives that are very common in business, in everyday life, and on tests. If you can master these, you'll be able to express yourself much more easily. If you like this kind of lesson, remember to like and subscribe. Alright, are you ready? Let's get started. Number 1. Able. Having the ability, skill, or resources to do something. Being skillful. He is able to speak 3 languages very fluently. I have been sailing for a long time. I am an able sailor. She was able to explain the situation clearly to everyone. Number 2. Comfortable. Providing ease, comfort, or relaxation. Being at ease or relaxed. This is a very comfortable sofa. I could stay here all day. I asked Fred to lead the presentation. He is comfortable speaking in front of big groups. The heat and humidity in summer are not comfortable at all. Number 3. Clumsy. Awkward, not graceful, not dexterous. He often trips or drops things because he is very clumsy. After drinking alcohol, most people feel a little clumsy. She was so graceful when dancing, but so clumsy in other situations. Number 4. Vital. Necessary for life or function, very important. Your heart is a vital organ. The CPU is a vital part of a PC. Study skills are vital for success in university. Number 5. Basic. Simple, fundamental, the starting point or first level. Knowing your ABCs is the most basic English skill. Flour is a basic ingredient in bread and noodles. We can start yoga by learning some basic poses. Number 6. Useful. Having a good or practical use. My smartphone is very useful. For one, I can use it to find new places. A pocket knife is a small but useful tool. A water pitcher is useful if you want to save money. Number 7. Actual. Existing in reality, not in theory or imagination. The actual cost of the apartment is a lot higher than the cost in the advertisement. Most people call me Alex, but my actual name is Alexander. I told my mom I needed $10 for school, but the actual reason was I wanted to buy a game. Number 8. Poor. Having little money. I am too poor to go on vacation. I stay home during the holidays. Poor countries need help from rich countries to build schools and hospitals. National health insurance makes sure that poor people can get health care. Number 8B. Bad or low quality. Sad. Bill did such a poor job on the presentation that our boss almost fired him. I tried to bake my wife's birthday cake myself, but it was such a poor cake that I threw it away and went to the store. That poor woman tripped on the stairs and broke her arm. Number 9. Absolute. Complete or total. 100%. Absolute zero is the coldest temperature possible. The absolute best thing that ever happened to me was when my daughter was born. I don't think laws should be absolute. They should be case by case. Number 10. Secure. Safe. Not easy to move or fall over. Before my vacation, I made sure my house was secure. I locked every door and window. Sleeping near my father and mother made me feel secure as a child. He bolted the cabinet to the wall to make sure it stayed secure. Number 11. Domestic. Relating to the home, including home country. The king had many domestic servants to cook and clean for him. Toyota is a domestic company in Japan. Mercedes is not. The rise in domestic violence has worried the police. Number 12. Aware. Conscious of or knowing about something. Are you aware that this is a no parking area? Could you please make everyone aware of the changes to the contract? Stay aware of the gap between the train and the platform. Number 13. Financial. Related to money and assets. He's in financial trouble because he took out a big loan. The movie was disliked by critics, but it was a financial success. He was a good employee, but he had to leave the company for financial reasons. Number 14. Obvious. Easily seen or understood. Very clear. That's so obvious, it's like saying, water is wet. It was obvious to him that she was angry, so he said nothing. There's an obvious difference between oranges and apples. Number 15. Mediocre. Not special, outstanding, or great. Medium quality with a negative nuance. To be honest, I always thought unagi was kind of mediocre for such an expensive dish. That restaurant was kind of mediocre. The food was fine, but I wouldn't go again. I didn't hate the movie, but it was just mediocre. Number 16, fair. Just, equal, not biased. Let's play rock, paper, scissors to decide. It's completely fair. It would be fair to split this 50-50. He is a very fair boss and always listens to both sides of a story. Number 17, right. Correct, morally, factually, or for a purpose. Great, that's the right answer. You get a point. We should give the wallet we found back because it's the right thing to do. Is this the right part for my car? Number 18, responsible for. Having a duty to do something. I'm responsible for training all the new employees. He is responsible for cleaning the classroom. An accountant is responsible for financial work. Number 18b. Being the cause of a situation or action. He was responsible for the accident because he drank too much alcohol. They don't have the stolen goods, so they aren't responsible for the theft. The company was held responsible for the damage to his health. Number 19, united. Joined together, working together. The United Kingdom is made up of Scotland, England, Wales, and Northern Ireland. They made a united effort to finish the project on time. They were united in their opposition to the new rules. Number 20, willing. Ready to do something. I'm willing to try strange foods like natto. She isn't willing to drive that far, so we decided to fly instead. He was a willing accomplice to the crime, so he must be punished. Alright, and that's everything for today's lesson. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope you learned some interesting new words today. Remember to like and subscribe, it would really help us out. And we'll see you all next time for our next video. Bye now.